Right, guys, so this is the final metal work, steel work on the Rambler passenger fender. And it's just a work of art. Just look at how beautiful it is. Close it off the end there. It's a 1/4-inch plate on the end of this. And I really like to have the time to clean up these welds and make everything like perfectly smooth, but I don't really have time for that. And it's all going to be covered anyways, so beautiful, isn't it? What matters is the reliability. This is way stronger than what the factory made.